5 vital strength training safety tips everyone should know.
Protect yourself from injury and get the most from your workouts with these essential strength training safety tips. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, following these guidelines can help ensure your training is both safe and effective.
1. Warm up before you lift.
Always start with a proper warm-up. Gentle cardio like brisk walking or jumping jacks, followed by dynamic stretches, prepares your muscles and joints for action. Warm muscles are more flexible and less prone to injury, helping you lift safely and improve performance.
2. Use proper form and technique.
Maintaining correct form is critical in strength training. Focus on smooth, controlled movements and avoid using momentum. Poor technique increases your risk of strains or sprains. If you're unsure, consider seeking advice from certified trainers or reliable instructional videos.
3. Start with appropriate weights.
Select a weight that allows you to complete your repetitions with good form. It's better to start light and gradually increase as your strength improves. Lifting too heavy too soon can compromise your form and put unnecessary stress on your muscles and joints.
4. Don't skip rest and recovery.
Rest is essential for muscle repair and growth. Avoid working the same muscle groups on consecutive days and listen to your body's signals. Overtraining can increase injury risk and reduce your progress, so ensure you schedule rest days into your fitness routine.
5. Stay aware and use support when needed.
Always pay attention to your body's feedback during a workout. Stop immediately if you feel sharp pain or dizziness. When lifting heavy or trying new exercises, use safety equipment like belts or have a spotter present. Taking precautions ensures you train safely and confidently.